excited to learn a new sound today. But first, let us revise the sounds that you have learned before. So look at the picture carefully and guess the beginning sound.
Yes, ma'am. It is kangaroo.
Well done, Khyati. Now, Ayansh, guess the beginning sound.
Ma'am, it is ant.
Very good, Ayansh. Now, Preeti, look at the picture and tell me the beginning sound.
Ma'am, I think it is necklace.
Well done, Preeti. Now, Janisha, tell me the beginning sound.
Ma'am, I think it is elephant.
Well done, Janisha, and well done, children. Now it's time to hear a new story, to learn a new sound. One day, some children were playing in the park. Some were playing on the swings, and some children were hopping. As it was a hot, sunny day, all the children started huffing and puffing. Children, can you tell me the sounds that you heard in the beginning of these words? Hopping, hot, huffing. Correct. It is the sound. Children, let's learn the formation. Take out your index finger. Now make a standing line, then go halfway up and make a Humpty curve and then a tail. Now let's do it with a crayon. So I'm taking blue color and now we'll start from top and make a standing line coming downwards. Remember not to lift your color. And then let's go up again on the same standing line and then make a Humpty curve towards the right and then a tail. And don't forget to speak the sound. It is Now let us write with a pencil. So hold your pencil firmly and let's start from the dot. So we will make a standing line coming downwards and then don't lift your pencil and go up on the same standing line. Make a right Humpty curve and then a small tail. Children, let's learn the song for the sound.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
Children, let us speak the words that begin with the sound h. So keep repeating with me. House, horse, helicopter, hat, hen, and hammer. Now let us do an activity in the salt tray. Take out your index finger, put it in salt and make a standing line coming downwards. Go halfway up on the same standing line and then make a Humpty curve towards the right and then a tail. Speak the sound. Now children, let us take some clay and divide it into two parts. And now we will roll it and then make it longer to make a long standing line. And now we will place it like this. And now we will take the other part of the clay and roll it again and make it long. And now look carefully, how are we going to place it? So we will start from the middle and join the clay to the standing line, make a Humpty curve towards the right, coming downwards and then a small tail. Now take out your index finger, let's do tracing. make a standing line, then go halfway up on the same standing line, make a right Humpty curve and then a tail. Let's do it once more. Make a standing line, go halfway up on the same standing line, make a Humpty curve towards the right and then a tail. Don't forget to speak the sound